Good morning, students. We are live now. Good morning, Chetan, Sanika. Is my audio and video clear? Is my audio and video clear? So, Likhita has joined. Okay, thank you for confirming. Okay, let's wait. Okay, Chetan, thank you for confirming. Okay, so Himanshu has joined. Jayashree. Okay, so we are doing similarity. Okay, Nikita has also joined. In similarity, we did few MCQ questions yesterday. And this is yesterday's class, continuation of the class. We have to do assertion and reason based questions today. And after that, one question I will take. MCQs only we are going to do. And because this is a continuation of yesterday's class, again, this might be a little short class. Because I have limited question which I planned to finish yesterday itself, but couldn't finish yesterday. So again, it might be little short class. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, let's start. So similarity, I hope you remember the same things. Whenever two try, just a small recap I'll do. I've already written here. When two triangles are similar, that means their corresponding angles they are equal. So suppose here triangle ABC is equals to triangle PQR. That means angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. So whenever two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, that's why naming of the triangle should be written in a perfect way. Naming of the triangle. So names of the triangle, if they are not in proper order, that means a ratio, it might go wrong because corresponding angles are equal and ratio of the corresponding side is equal. And how to find corresponding sides? See, AB's corresponding side is PQ. AB's corresponding side is PQ. BC's corresponding side is QR. So that's what I have written. AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR, and AC's corresponding side is PR. So AC by PR. So these two results will always be there if two triangles are similar. The rules we have done. So to prove the similarity of two triangles, these three rules we always use: side, side, side. When ratio of all the three sides is given to us, we can use this rule that time. Then angle, angle rule, when all the angles are equal and it's given to us, we will use this rule that time. And this one, side, angle, side. And this rule we used in yesterday few questions also. When ratio of two sides and one included angle, this is given to us. So in that time, we will use this rule. Okay, so other than that, BPT one result we did yesterday. Now let's start from the question. So assertion and reason based question we are going to start. So first question you can see on my screen, and in between if you get any doubt, please ask me. Yes, so assertion and reason, in reason these are the options. Option A is true, R is false. Option B, A is false, R is true. Option C, both A and R are true. Option D, both A and R are false. So these options you have to use in next few questions. Let's start. Statement A. Assertion statement. Okay, so good morning, Divya. In triangle ABC, AB is equals to 6 root 3, AC is equals to 12 and BC is equals to 6 centimeter. If these three things are there in one triangle, AB is equals to 6 root 3 and AC is equals to 12 centimeter, BC is equals to 6 centimeter. If these three things are there, then they are telling then angle B is 90. That we have to check. Whatever thing is written after then, that we have to check. That is not in given. That means we have to prove something or we have to find it out this thing. This thing we have to find it out. So if this thing is there, how to check? How to check whether a particular angle is 90 degree or not, or how to check a triangle is a right angle triangle. If I have this triangle, so that is the given thing. They're telling if, so suppose this is the triangle ABC. As of now, I don't know angle B is 90 degree. So just the sides, so AB is 6 root 3, BC is 6 centimeter and AC is 12 centimeter. So these are the given things. From these three things, I have to find it out. Angle B is 90 degree. So how to find angle B is 90 degree? Or how to find that particular triangle is right angle triangle? Do we have any result for right angle triangle? I want you people to answer. See, only then the class will be interactive. And maybe you will also be able to understand in a better way. How we will come to know whether a particular triangle is right angled triangle? Is there any result? For right angle triangle, do we know any property, any result? So many times we have done this thing. Because you have to check. You have to check whether angle B is 90 or not. This thing we have to check. This is not given to us. For right angle triangle, how you will come to know whether a particular triangle is right angled or not? At least a single student can answer. I'm waiting for the answer. Don't. Okay. Okay, how we will come to know? With the help of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we can use, but see you should use these type of, yes. So Pythagoras theorem is the result which we can use to figure out whether a particular triangle is right angle triangle or not. So we know, at least now I think you people can remember, Pythagoras theorem is square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of perpendicular and base. Hypotenuse is the greatest side. Hypotenuse, three sides are given to us, and in this greatest side is AC. Greatest side is AC. So I just have to check whether AC square is equal to sum of the squares of AB and BC. So AC is 12. 12 square is equal to perpendicular, and the other two sides I can take as AB and BC. So 6 root 3 whole square plus 6 whole square. Yes, so 12 square. 12 square is 144. So individually both the sides we have to solve. If both are equal, that means it's a right angle triangle. So 12 square is 144. 6 root 3 is square. 6 root 3 is square means 6 root 3 into 6 root 3. 6 into 6 if we multiply 36. 3 into 3 if I multiply root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 36 into 3. 36 into 3. So this is 6 into 3, 18, 108. And then 6 into 6 is 36. 6 square is 36. 6 square is 36. So 108 plus 36. So this is equals to 6 plus 8 is 14. So this is also equals to 144. Both the sides are equal. The square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. So that means, see, it is satisfying Pythagoras theorem. These three sides, they are satisfying Pythagoras theorem. That means A is true. A is true. It means this angle B is 90 degree and A is true. So just always remember 90 degree. How to figure out whether a triangle is right angle triangle? We can help with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so A is true. Let's check the second one now. If in two triangles DEF and ABC, so in two triangles it's given to us ratio of the three sides. DE by BC, it's equals to EF by AC, it's equals to DF by AB. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle FDE. After then whatever is written, that we have to find out. This thing we have to find out. And before that, whatever thing is written after if. The thing what is written after if, so that thing is always given to us. Just remember this thing always. So if thing is given and whatever is written after then, that means that thing we have to find it out. So ratio of the sides, they are given to us, they are equal. From ratio, yesterday also we did one question where we were able to find out the names of the triangle. Because see, upper sides are the sides of one triangle and the sides which are given at the lower side, so those are the sides of the other triangle. So corresponding sides we have to find it out. So DE's corresponding side is EF. Or DE's corresponding side is BC. So if I have to name a triangle, DE I can write, and for other triangle I can write BC. See, DE's corresponding side is BC, then EF's corresponding side is AC. So EF. EF means E is already written, I can write here F. Here C is already written, I can write A. So name of the triangle is completed. Now I have to check whether this name is correct. So D's corresponding angle, yes, so D's corresponding angle is B. That means at D's place B should be written. If we can see the given names, what are the given names? Given names is ABC, triangle ABC, and here FDE. FDE. These are the given names. So we have to check the corresponding angles. Are they written at the same place? See, D's corresponding angle is B. See, D and B, they are written at the second place. So both the angles are equal. Then E's corresponding angle is C. E is corresponding because both of these, they are written at the same place. So here also if you see, E and C, they are written at the same place. Now also F and A. F and A, they are written at the same place. So that means names are correct. See, you names we can written in different way also, like I have figured out the names in different way, D, E, F and B, C, A, but you have to see the position of corresponding angles should be same. So we figure out the corresponding angles from these names. With the help of this ratio we figured out. Here the names are correctly written because A's corresponding is F, B's corresponding angle is D and C's corresponding angle is E. So that means triangle ABC is similar to triangle FDE. So this is also true. This is also true. So which option? Yes. So option C is the correct answer. A and R both are true. C option is the correct answer. Yes, if anyone has any doubt, please let me know. This type of questions even we did yesterday also, and similarity, this is the only thing which you have to see. Okay, let's do the next question. Question number 2. Let's see what is given to us. Assertion statement, first of all. See, same options A, B, C, D, whichever we did in the previous question, same options we have to consider. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to YZ. So PQ, you can say this is a triangle and PQ is parallel to YZ. Point P divides XY in the ratio. So point P divides XY in the ratio. This is point P. This is dividing XY. This point P is dividing XY in the ratio 3:4. So that means XP is to YP is 3/4. This is 3/4. And they have mentioned if Q is equals to 1, here PQ should be there, not Q. PQ is equals to 1.5. Then the length of YZ is 3.5. So PQ's length is given to us as 1.5 and then YZ. So this we have to check. This we have to check. Whatever is written after, see, after if is given thing, the other thing is we have to check. In assertion and reason, always this is what we are doing. Okay, so it's given to us. PQ is parallel to YZ. Now we will make use of similarity again. We'll make use of similarity because see, we have to find the value of YZ. We have to find the value of YZ. So first of all, we have to check. See, two triangles are there. Similarity I have to check for two triangles. Triangle XPQ and triangle XYZ. XYZ. Whenever this line is parallel in this way in a triangle, whenever I have this triangle, see X, Y, Z is the triangle. In this triangle, there is one line PQ over here and PQ is parallel to YZ. PQ is parallel to YZ. In this situation, always these two triangles will be similar by angle similarity. Why? Because X is the common angle. X is present in this smaller angle also. This is the smaller angle. Here I will highlight. XPQ is a smaller angle. In this also angle X is there and in XYZ also angle X is there. So X is what? X is common angle. And then this angles. Angle P and angle Y. Because in parallel line, two angles should come to your mind. Like I always say, one is a pair of alternate angles and then corresponding angles. Alternate angles always on Z formation we will get this angle and this angle, and corresponding angles like this one, if we have a parallel lines, so this angle on the same side of the parallel lines and the transversal, this type of angles are corresponding angles. So here we are getting a pair of corresponding angles. You can see angle P and angle Y, they are making a pair of corresponding angles, and angle Q and angle Z, they are making a pair of corresponding angles. See, corresponding angles, this is the transversal, the line which is cutting parallel line. It is on the same side of this line and on the same side of parallel lines also. See, both the angles are there on the upper side of parallel lines. See, this is, and these two are lines are parallel lines. So both the angles are on the upper side. So these angles are known as corresponding angles. For MCQ purpose, you can remember, if you are getting triangles like this, always these two triangles XPQ will be similar to angle XYZ by angle similarity. By angle similarity. Yes, so now because we know X is a common angle, P is the angle which is equals to P is Y. Here itself I have shown you the angle which is equals to Q is Z. Now if these two triangles, they are similar, then we know the ratio will be equal. Like whenever two triangles are similar, so ratio of the corresponding side will be same. So XP's corresponding side is XY. So I can write XP by XY is equals to PQ. PQ's corresponding side is YZ and XQ. XQ's corresponding side is XZ. So corresponding sides ratio I have written. Now see XP and PY is given to us. XP and PY is given to us. I have XP, so PY is not there. XY I have. So what will be the value of XY? Because I have to use this one, because XP I know. Moreover, I have to find the value of YZ. I have to find the value of YZ and PQ is given to us. So first two we have to use. That means I have to use first two ratios. We have to use first two ratios. So XP is given to us as 3. What will be the value of XY? Yes, XY is equals to 7. XY is equals to 7. So 7 you can, how are you are getting? See, this full line is XY. Full line is XY. So this is 3 plus 4. If you do, you will get 7. Because here we have XY. So this is 7. PQ is equals to, PQ is given to us as 1.5 and YZ we have to find out. So let's do cross multiplication here. So 3 into YZ is equals to 1.5 into 7. So YZ, if I have to multiply, I'll shift this 3 to other side. So YZ is equals to 1.5 into 7. 3 when we shift to other side, it will get divided. Because here it's getting multiplied. So here let's remove decimal. If I remove decimal, so always remove decimal. So here 10 will come because after decimal 1 digit is there, and from numerator we are removing decimal. So this 10 we have to write at denominator. Now we can do cancellation. 3 into 5. 5 into 7 is 35. 35 by 10. Again we can convert into decimal. Again we can convert into decimal. So 35 by 10, it's equals to 3.5. Directly we can convert. So this is equals to 3.5. So YZ is equals to 3.5. Yes. You can multiply also 7 by 2 also. This calculation any way you can do. So basically YZ we are getting as 3.5. Okay, so that means this is true. That's what they have given to us. If P divides XY in the ratio 3 is to 4 and PQ is equals to 1.5, then YZ is equals to 3.5. So that means yes, we are also getting YZ equals to 3.5. So this is true. Okay, the ratio of X. Okay, I think question number 2. Let me see, I think this is incomplete. The ratio of XQ and XZ is 3 is to 7. Okay, this is connected question only. So what is the ratio of XQ? This ratio. The third thing now we have to find XQ and QZ. XQ and XZ they have mentioned. So that ratio we can find. So that means these two we can use now. We can use these two. Or first and third also we can use. Anything we can use. Now this two because here they are telling the ratio of XQ is to YZ. This thing XQ is equals to 3 is to 7. So let's check that. Let's check. So PQ's value, I'm just using XQ by XZ is equals to PQ is equals to PQ by YZ. Okay, because I have to find this ratio. So last two I am using. So XQ by XZ is equals to PQ. PQ's value is 1.5 and YZ just now we have found 3.5. We can remove decimals from here. If I remove decimal from numerator, after 1, after decimal 1 digit is there, so here 10. If I remove decimal from here, so at numerator I have to write 10, because after decimal 1 number is there. Now 10 and 10 will get cancelled. 5 table we can do cancellation. 5 into 3, 5 into 7. So xq is to xz is equals to 3 by 7 I am getting. That means the ratio is equals to 3 is to 7. Okay, so this is correct, because this also we are getting the correct answer. 3 is to 7 we are getting, so that means R is also true. R is also true. A is true, R is true. Both A and R are true, so option C is the correct answer. Option C, both are true. Okay, anyone, any doubt in this question? So like this, you can see similarities question are a little lengthy, but if you have conceptual clarity in exam, it will not take this much of time. Only because I am explaining, so it's taking time. Let's do this question. In triangle ABC, if x and y, so whatever is written after if, that means these are the given things that we have to consider while working out the problem. So if in a triangle ABC, this is a triangle ABC, full triangle, where x and y are points on AB and AC respectively. See, x is a point on AB. In 1 second. Okay. Some people, they will simply disturb. So let me, okay, let's do this question. Question number 3. So in triangle ABC, if x and y are points on AB and AC, see, x is a point on AB and y is a point on AC respectively, such that AX is equals to 3, AX is to XB is equals to 3 by 4. So ratio is given to us, AY is equals to 5 and YC is equals to 9. Then XY is parallel to BC. Then XY is parallel to BC. So we have to check. Like I have told you, whatever is written after then. Whatever is written after then, that thing we have to check, or we have to find it out. Okay. Now how to find it out? That XY is parallel to BC. How to check the thing parallel, that these two sides are parallel, or that these two lengths are parallel? Anyone remembers BPT? BPT, I'll tell you. Yesterday also, I think in one of the question we used basic proportionality theorem. Suppose in a triangle, I have any 2 points on side. Yes, AX by XB is equals to AY by YC. Yes, so BPT we will use. So that's the result of BPT. Suppose I have this line. Okay, let me take same points only. This is XY. BPT will use if this XY is parallel to BC. If XY is parallel to BC, this is the given thing in BPT. This is given. Then the ratio will be same. Then AX by XB is equals to AY by YC. In BPT, parallel thing is given to us. This is the result we will use. Then we have converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. Converse means the opposite. Now this thing will be given. If the ratio is equal, if this ratio is equal, AX by XB, it is equals to AY by YC. If the ratio is equal, then XY, it will be parallel to BC. So if this result is true, if the ratio AX by XB is equals to AY by YC, then XY will be parallel to BC. So we can check. Now in this question we have to use converse of BPT. We have to check whether the ratio is equal. If the ratio is equal, then line will be parallel. If ratio is not equal, then this XY, it won't be parallel. So ratio we can check easily because both the sides, their values are given to us. So AX by XB, if I find, this ratio will be equals to 3 by 4, and if I find the ratio of AY by YC, this ratio I am getting as 5 by 9. So here we are seeing AX by XB is not equals to AY by YC. So this is not equal. See, if the ratio is not equal, what can we say about XY and BC? Will they be parallel? The ratio, I told you, if the ratios are equal, then the lines will be parallel. Then ratio is not equal. So we have seen one of the ratio is 3:4, another ratio is 5:9. What about the parallel lines now? Do you think they will be parallel? Yes, no. The result I have told you. Yes, no. Because if ratio is not same, then XY is not parallel to BC. Then these lines are not parallel. But here it is mentioned the lines are parallel. Okay, so that means A is false. These lines are not parallel. So that means A is false. Okay. Now let's see about reason. In reason it's mentioned XY is parallel to BC. Now it's mentioned XY is parallel to BC. So it's given to us XY is parallel to BC. See, if this is given to us, we can use BPT and we can use similarity also. So AY is given to us 15. AY is given to us as 15 now, and YC is 20. YC is 20. Then the ratio of XY and BC is 3 by 4. Ratio of this line. See, whenever you have to find the ratio of the parallel lines, you have to use the concept of similarity. And in previous question also we have used that if the line is drawn in such a way that they are making a pair of parallel lines, then these two triangles, what will be the name of the triangles? Triangles AXY, it will be similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. These two triangles will be similar by angle similarity. By angle similarity, because angle A is a common angle, it's present in both the triangles, and this X angle is equals to angle B, corresponding angles, Y angle is equals to C. Angle Y is equals to angle C. They are making a pair of corresponding angles. So this type of triangles will always be similar by angle. Angles I have shown you which angles are equal. So we can write the ratio of the corresponding sides. If two triangles are similar, we can write the ratio of the corresponding sides. So AX corresponding side is AB. So AX by AB is equals to XY by BC, and this is equals to AY by AC. So corresponding sides I have already told you how to figure out. The triangles are similar. Now which ratio is given to us? AX and again AB is there. What is the value of AB? What is the value of AB? AX value I know it is 3. So these two I will be using because I have to find the ratio of AX and BC. Yes, it is 7. So AX is equals to 3. AB is what? AB is AX plus XB. AB is AX plus XB, that means 3 plus 4. This equals to 7. So AB is 7 like we did in previous question also. So XY by BC. So is it true? We are getting the ratio of XY is to BC as 3 is to 7. But they have mentioned the ratio of XY is to BC is 3 is to 4. Yes, R is also 4 because the mentioned ratio is 3 is to 4, but the ratio which we are getting is 3 is to 7. So the ratio is not same. So this is also false. So A is also false here, B is also false. Oh, R is also false, not B. So which option? Option D. Both A and R are false here, so D option. Option D, both A and R are false. See, simple logic, if you have to check the parallel thing like we have done in the first, you just find out the ratio of these two sides. The ratio of these two parts should be same. The lines will be parallel, that we did in first part. And second, you just have to use the similarities concept. These two triangles will always be similar by angle similarity if this xy is parallel to BC. So after proving similarity, we can write the ratio of the corresponding sides and we can substitute their values and find the required ratio. Okay, let's do next question. Question number fourth. Fourth question you can see on my screen. Assertion statement. One second, please. In the given figure ABC, to triangle ABC, this is the symbol of parallel. This arrow mark, if you see this arrow mark, this means these two lines are parallel. Here AB is parallel to DE. So you have to figure out from the symbol itself. This symbol is a symbol of parallel lines. So AB is parallel to DE. This is given to us. So let's see what else is given to us. So in the closed figure triangle ABC, points D and E are on the side. So D point is on the side AC and E point is on the side BC respectively, such that DE is parallel to AB. So that's given to us. AD is equals to 2x, DC is equals to x plus 3, BE is equals to 2x minus 1, EC is equals to x. Then the value of x. Then the value of x we have to check. Value of x. So this is also this type of triangle. If you are getting confused, you can just redraw the figure. This is triangle here, one pair of parallel lines I have. So this is, if I just name it, it is C. Like this it will be. So AD is 2x, CD is x plus 3, CE is x and BE is 2x minus 1. So I have just redrawn the triangle. You can see here, I have told you if this line, now point D is on AC, point E is on BE. If we have points like this on two sides of a triangle and DE is parallel to AB, DE is parallel to AB, then we can use BPT. Then we can use, because these two sides are given to us. The parts of these two sides are given to us, CD, AD, CE and BE. So these parts are given to us. So that's why whenever this line DE is parallel to AB, we can use BPT. Other than similarity also we can use, and we can use BPT. See, I don't have to find DE and AB here, so that's why I am just using BPT. It involves AC and BC sides. So according to BPT, CD by AD, ratio of the parts of these two sides, AC and AB, it will be equal. It is equals to CE by BE. DE is parallel to AB. DE is parallel to AB. That's why ratio of the parts of these two sides AC and BC, it is same. That is CD, this is CD. CD by AD is equals to CE by BE. Now we can just substitute their values. CD's value is x plus 3 because we have to find the value of x. CD is x plus 3. AD is 2x. I'm just substituting their values. CE is x and BE is 2x plus 1. So all the values I have substituted. Now this has become a linear equation. We can simplify by cross multiplication. So x plus 3, it will get multiplied by 2x minus 1 and x will get multiplied by 2x. X will get multiplied by 2x. Now first bracket multiplication we have to do. So x first term with both we have to multiply. So x into 2x minus 1, first term of first bracket, then full second bracket, plus 3, second term of first bracket, and then full second bracket. So we have to multiply, bracket multiplication we have to do. So x into 2x is 2x square, x into 2x is 2x square. So x into 2x is 2x square. X into minus 1 is minus x, plus 3 into 2x is 6x, 3 into 1 is 3. So minus 3 is equals to 2x square. Let's shift this 2x square also to this side because we have to find the value of x. So 2x square minus x. So these two are like terms. These two are like terms. So x means 1x. X means 1x. So 6 minus 1 is 5 plus 5. 6 minus 1 is plus 5. So 2x square plus 5x because the sign which is with greater number. So with 6 we have positive sign. So plus 5. And 2x I am just shifting to this side, plus 2x when I shift to this side it will become minus 2x square, and 3 let's shift to other side because we have to find the value of x. So this constant will shift to other side. So minus 3 when I shift to other side it will become plus 3. Okay, so A is true. So 2x square and 2x square they'll get cancelled because 2x square minus 2x square is 0. So 5x is equals to 3. Then 5 when I shift to other side, so I'll get the value of x equals to 3 by 5. It's 5, it will get divided. So same value they have also mentioned. So that means it is true. A is true. Now length of AC we have to. The length of AC in triangle ABC is 4.8. How to find length of AC now? If you see this one, how to find length of AC, this I am just going to clear. I hope you have written this thing. AC we have to find length of AC. So A is true. AC is what? AC, if you see here, this is full line segment AC, or the side is AC. So that is AD plus CD. So CD plus AD, anyway you can write. So this is AC is equals to AD plus CD. So if I add these two parts, it will become AC. So AD's value is 2x, AD is equals to 2x, CD is equals to x plus 3. Now x value we have already found. First of all, 2x plus x is 3x. So 3x plus 3. X value we can substitute here. So x value is 3 by 5. So 3 into 3 by 5. So 3x means 3 into x plus 3. So this will become 3 into 3, 9. 9 by 5, say 3 is 3 by 1. Don't multiply this 3 with both. So numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Here I have 3. 3 by 1 I can write, I have to take LCM. So 9 plus 15 3 into 5, 15 by 5. 9 plus 15 is 24. 24 by 5. 24 by 5, if you divide 5 into 4 is 20.8. Yes, so 4.8 units only we are getting. So that's also true. We are getting 4.8 only, 4.8 units only. So that means this is also true. So both A and R are true. So that means C option is the correct answer. Option C. Let's do next question. This is fifth question of assertion and reason. This is same like the previous one. Let's do this one. So assertion is this triangle is given to us, same type of triangle. Triangle ABC, where DE, this is the symbol of parallel lines. If here they have mentioned also, in case it's not mentioned, you have to understand from these arrows itself that DE is parallel to BC. The value of x is 3. The value of x is 3. Okay, so x we can find if this line is parallel. If this line is parallel to this, which property we can use? Now DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Which property we can use here? Which property we can use? See, many questions in previous question also we use this result. Similarity. See this parts. This is AD and BD. See, these two sides are involved now. Similarity we have to use when DE and BC they are involved. Yes, BPT we can use. We can use BPT when the parallel thing is given to us and only AB and AC are involved. That time we can use BPT. See, many times, sometimes we have to use DE, we have to find their values also. That time we have to use the concept of similarity. When DE and BC, these parallel lines themselves, they are involved, then we have to use the concept of similarity. If they are not included, then we can make use of BPT and to do the required thing. So BPT is very important result. I hope you will remember. So now it's given to us by BPT we can write by basic proportionality theorem, because it's given to us it's given to us DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. So this is given to us. So we can use this result AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. Now the values we can substitute. AD's value is x, BD's value is x plus 1, AE is equals to x plus 3, EC is equals to x plus 5. So x value we have to find. So we can do cross multiplication. We can do cross multiplication because this is a linear equation. We can solve it. Single fraction both the sides. We can do cross multiplication. So x into x plus 5 is equals to x plus 3 into x plus 1. So we have to do multiplication here. So x with both the terms will multiply. X into x is x square plus 5 into x is 5x. Other side two brackets are there. So bracket multiplication we have to do. So x into x plus 1. First term of first bracket, then full second bracket plus 3. Second term of first bracket, that also we have to multiply with full second bracket. So here we can multiply. So this side same thing, x square plus 5x. X into x is x square plus x into 1 is x. Here 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 1 is 3. So x square plus 5x is equals to x square plus x plus 3x is 4x plus 3. Now these things will shift to other side, all x. This x square also will shift to other side, 4x also will shift. So x square plus 5x minus x square, the plus x square will shift to this side, it will become minus x square plus 4, when we shift it will become minus 4x is equals to 3. X square and x square will get cancelled because x square minus x square 0. 5x minus 4x is equals to x. So x value we are getting equals to 3. X is equals to 3. First is true. First is true. The length of AB is 10 units. Length of AB is 10 units. So AB how to find? This is AB. This is AB. So AB is, how to find AB? So that is AD plus BD. AD plus BD. So AD's value is x. BD's value is x plus 1. So x plus x is 2x because this is 1x. This is also 1x. So 2x plus 1. So 2 into 3. X value we found 3 in first part plus 1. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And what they have mentioned? They have mentioned 10. They have mentioned 10. So we found as 7 units. So that means R is false. R is false. AB is equals to 7 units. So R is false. So A is true, R is false. Which option? Which option is this? I think it's A option. A is true. Option A. Okay. One question I want to do that is very like practical based question, case based question. It's like MCQs only. So one story is there, based on that story we have to answer this question. So MCQs are there. I think it will not take much time. So 3 to 4 questions are there. We can do this. So assertion reason question here we have it's done. We have finished these questions. So let's do this question. So we have to read this story. Basis on this story we have to answer these questions. Okay. So what is given to us? Let's read. Vijay is trying to find the average height of a tower near his house. So this is Vijay's house. You can see this is A, B, C. So this A is Vijay's house. So near tower is B tower. So he's trying to find the height of this tower, average height of the tower. He is using the properties of similar triangles. The height of Vijay's house is 20 meters. So its height is 20 meter. When Vijay's house casts a shadow of 10 meter on the ground. So at a particular time is casting a shadow 10 meter on the ground. At the same time tower casts a shadow 50 meter long. At the same time tower, see shadow will be on the ground. You can see this shadow is on the ground. So tower is casting a shadow of 50 meter on the ground. And the house of Ajay cast. So there is one another person, Ajay. So this person's house is casting a shadow of 20 meter on the ground at the same time. So I hope you have understood the question. So what is given to us in question? There is one person A. So he is able to find out the height of the tower which is next to his house. So his house is 20 meter and at a particular time it's casting a shadow of 10 meter. At the same time tower is casting a shadow of 50 meter and this third person is his house is casting a shadow of 20 meter. So basically 3 right angle triangles we have. 3 right angle triangles we have, because if some, see, house, tower, they always make an angle of 90 degree with the horizontal line. So 3 right triangles we have. So that means these triangles are all these triangles are similar. So I'll just draw the triangle. So first triangle is Vijay's house, that given person's house. So I'll just name it as triangle ABC. In this, what is given to us? This is 20 meter and this one is 10 meter. Second is the tower. Second is the tower. So this is PQR. I just write it as PQR. And this, it's given to us 50 meter. We have to consider that these 3 are similar triangles, right angles. We have to consider that, because we have to use the concept of similarity. This is DEF. I'll just say DEF, where it's given to us 20 meter. So I've drawn 3 triangles. So the triangles are similar. What is the height of the tower? Oh, height of the tower. See, this is Vijay's house, this is tower, this is Ajay's house. So first let's use these triangles. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to, because it's at the same time it's mentioned, so that means angle of elevation is same at this particular time. That's how we have to consider. By angle they are similar. It's mentioned at the same time, so that means angle of elevation, maybe we have done in heights and distances this thing, so at particular time the angle is same. That's why these three triangles we are considering as similar triangles. One angle is 90-degree, other angle is same, so by angle these three triangles are similar. So this is practical question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. First I am using these two because we have to find the height of the tower. We have to find height of the tower. That means this PQ we have to find. PQ we have to find. So angle ABC is similar to PQR, which means that the ratio of the corresponding sides. See, by angle they are similarity. They are similar. I have already explained you. So corresponding sides, if I write AB's corresponding side is PQ. So AB by PQ is equals to BC. BC's corresponding side is QR. So AB's corresponding side PQ. PQ's corresponding side is QR. And then AC. AC, although we don't need here, so I'll still be writing AC's corresponding side is PR. AC's corresponding side is PR. Okay, so let's find the height. PQ we have to find. AB we know, BC and QR also we know. We have to find PQ. So I'll be using these first two ratios. So AB is 20, PQ we have to find, BC is 10 and QR is 50. So we'll just do cross multiplication. If I do cross multiplication, 20 into 50, this 50 will get multiplied, and PQ into 10. PQ into 10. So this 10 we have to shift to this side. When we shift this to this side, it will get divided, because PQ only it should be kept on other side. So it will get divided. 1 0 and this will get cancelled. 2 into 50 is 100. So PQ is equals to 100. PQ is equals to 100 meter. So which option? So Jayashree has given the answer already. PQ is equals to 100. So option C. Option C. Okay, so concept of similarity, the three things which are given to us, we converted into right angle triangles. The triangles are similar, and we found why they are similar, because they have mentioned at a particular time. So at a particular time, angle of elevation will be same. Sun's elevation will be same. That's why these angles will, theta will be same, and B, Q and E angles, they are 90 degrees. So that's why these three triangles are similar to each other. We use the concept of similarity and found the unknown side. Let's do second question. Again based on this only. What will be the length of shadow of the tower? Length of the shadow of tower. And Vijay's house cast a shadow of 12 meter. So now Vijay's house is casting. So we have to find the length of shadow now. What we have to say, this is first person's house. We have considered this is Vijay's house. This is ABC. So what will be the length of the shadow of tower when Vijay's house cast a shadow of 12 meter? Now this person's house is casting a shadow of 12 meter. At this particular time, I have to find the length of the shadow of the tower. That means QR. Shadow of tower will be QR, because this is on the ground. So AB is how much? AB we know 20 and PQ we have found 100. AB is 20, PQ we have found as 100. Now again we will make use of similarities concept. These two triangles are similar because by angle similarity. So again I will not write full. We know AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. So AB's value is 20. PQ is 100. We found this in previous part. See, height of particular thing will not change, but length of shadow it will change. Length of shadow it will change from time to time, but height of a buildings it will always remain same. So 20 by 100 is equals to BC. BC is 12 by QR. QR we have to find. Now again we can do cross multiplication. So 20 into QR is equals to 12 into 100. 12 into 100. Now this 20 also let's shift to other side. When we shift it to other side it will get divided. So we can do cancellation here. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 into 6 is 12. So it is 60 meter. So what is the answer? 60 meter. 60 meter, it's option D. QR is equals to 60 meter. Let's do next one. What is the height of Ajay's house? So Ajay's house height we have to find. Ajay's house is the third one. So here I have already written this thing. So this height we have to find. We have to find this height. DE we have to find. So we have to find DE. So these two triangles are also similar. These two triangles are also similar, triangle ABC and DEF. I'll just redraw it. Triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Triangle DEF, because I need to find the height of Ajay's house. So that means height of Ajay's house is DE. DE I have to find. So what is given to me? Given thing is AB and BC 20 and 10. So this is 20 meter, this is 10 meter, and this is given to us 20 meter again. EF is 20. So we have to find DE. See, these two triangles are similar again by angle because angle of elevation is same, sun's elevation is same, because at the same time we are measuring shadows now. So here also if I write the ratio, so AB by DE it's equals to BC by EF. We know the corresponding side, so accordingly we are just solving. AB's value is 20. DE's value we have to find. DE is the height of this person's house. BC is 10 and EF is 20. Can do cancellation and cross multiplication. So 2 into 20 is equal to DE into 1 is DE only. So what is the value of this person's house height? 40 meter. DE is equals to 40 meter. So option B. DE is equals to 40 meter. Let's do next question. This will be the last question of today's class. When the tower casts a shadow of 40 meter. Okay, so again now tower and Ajay's house are involved. Tower is PQR. Tower is PQR. Tower's height we already found. It's 100 meter and it is casting a shadow 40 meter now. Shadow will always be on a ground. So tower is casting a shadow 40 meter. What will be the length of the shadow of Ajay's house as at that particular time? So Ajay's, what will be the length of the shadow? Length of the shadow means we have to find the length of EF. And length of his house we have already found 40 meter. Height of its house we have already found 40 meter. Again we have to use the concept of similarity. These two triangles are similar. That means PQ by DE. So corresponding sides ratio I am writing. PQ's corresponding side is DE and QR's corresponding side is EF. We can just substitute. PQ is 100. DE is 40. QR is 40 again, and EF we have to find. EF is the shadow casted by Ajay's house. Yes, so we can do cancellation now and cross multiplication. So 10 into EF is equals to 40 into 4. 40 into 4. This 10 also will shift to other side. It will get divided. So what will be the length? 4 into 4, 16. It is 16 meter. Option A. So A option. Okay, so because this year's pattern is competency based question, so that's why one practical question, this one I have done, one real life situation they have converted into a question. So this is how you can see the concept of similarity is actually used in real life also. So you can expect questions because this, even in specimen also, if you see one question, this type of question is there. That question is of factorization. So we will solve that also. But tomorrow we will do a new topic. This chapter's subjective type questions we have already completed long back, maybe around September we have done. So you can see this, that those questions are also there in target boards playlist. Okay, so if anyone has any doubt, you can let me know, and we'll meet tomorrow same time 5 a.m. in the morning with the new topic. No doubts? Okay, shall I end the class? Okay, then bye everyone. Have a wonderful day.